Hello guys and welcome back to another video. As you guys can already see on the title, in this video we will go from €100 to €1,000, and we will do this by only trading the British pound against Japanese yen, because that's the only pair I actually trade. And we will try to do this within 1 month. It's a pretty hard challenge, but I think we can go there. So don't forget to hit the like button, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, because you will see more content like this on this channel. Yeah, so let's go straight into it, guys. Alright, so as you guys can already see, we did a deposit of €100. It's a live account, guys. And we are also in the trade already, because I saw this trade happen. My entry is actually pretty good. I want to enter once it broke this little lower high. So the take profit will be 167 pips and stop loss is only 20 pips. And we are currently €22 in profit. Today is 28 April, so day one, it's actually on a Friday. I want to start on a Monday, but because I want to get in this trade with this challenge, I decided to start today. The NFP news is around, there's only 2 hours left, so before the news, I will maybe close this trade. But yeah, guys, this video is really helpful for beginner traders and also for experienced traders, because after every trade I will go ahead and break down the video for you guys why I took this trade, so you guys can learn everything about forex trading. So guys, so far so good. Currently €20 in profit only. I will go ahead and see what this trade does, guys. Alright guys, let's go straight into the first trade. We did actually hit our take profit, which was 167 pips. But I have to say that I closed this trade around 57 pips in profit, because I saw this wick rejecting actually. And it was also around New York session. So I decided to take my profit and leave it for that day. And it was also on a Friday, so that's why I actually closed my trade. So we actually made, as you guys can see here, we actually made €57 on the first one and €15 on the second one. I did place 2 trades. One was 40 pips later. So yeah, that was a 7% profit actually on our challenge. So let's go straight into the second trade. It was yesterday on a Monday. I couldn't be on the office, so that's why I do it today. That was this trade. We actually lost €13. I did place a sell position. So why I placed this trade was actually because of this Fibonacci level here. I did a aggressive entry on this one, and I got immediately paid off by losing 20 pips, which is only €13. So yeah, that was the second trade. Let's go for today. Today was a crazy day actually. We are still in this trade though. Yeah, so we are currently €316 in profit. This is a 200 pip trade, which I also called on my Telegram group. This one. So it was in the morning. It was pre-London session. I knew this trade was gonna happen just because of the daily rejections, right? We have a strong resistance level on the daily, and what it actually does most of the time, it breaks the current high, which was 6 months ago. It actually broke with only 20 pips, where everyone has their stop loss. I just wait for a good bearish movement, good bearish candles, and that was right here. So I did place my trade, and we are almost on 200 pips. Yeah, this trade was actually pretty crazy because we almost completed half of our challenge right now. It's Tuesday today. It would be crazy if we can actually hit our target in this week, which will be only 6 days of trading. Let's now just wait on our take profits, which is 7 pips left. What I also always tell people is don't close your trades immediately. Like, just let it run. You are in profit. Get your stop loss to break even. Just let it run, guys. Let's now just wait on our take profit. Alright, guys. So we did hit our take profit, which was 200 pips, 1-to-6 risk ratio, which means that I can now lose up to 6 trades to stay break even. That's why I like these kind of trades, like low stop loss and a huge profit. Even if we have four losses at the same trade like this, and you have 1 winning trade, then you're still profitable. I kind of like this strategy for smaller accounts. We won around, like, the first one was €200 and second one was €135, as you guys can see here. I took 2 trades, which one was stop loss, this one, 20 pips stop loss, and we lost around, let's count this, we lost around 27 euros on this trade. After that, I placed a impulse entry, which was also 20 pips stop loss, and my TP was 117 pips TP. And we are currently in profit. We are currently 145 euros in profit. If I look on the daily, I think GJ will still drop down. I think even till 168. But for now, we are just focusing on the London session and the New York sessions. So I kind of want to run this. Trade to 200 pips yet again. We are just in a bearish movement right here. GJ is really bearish, so we might see a free fall, which will need 120 pips more to the downside. I think it's possible. I think it's possible today. Let's keep in mind, guys, we only have bearish candles on the 1 hour, which means that the markets are really bearish. But for now, I will just keep this to 117 pip TP. And let's see what GJ does the best, guys. Alright, guys. We did hit our stop loss with 1 pip. So as you guys can see here, our stop loss was at 170.37, which it did with, I think, like even without the spreads, like 0.5 pip, I think, which is actually really sad because Forex does this a lot, you know, so sometimes I have to close my trades earlier. Yeah, that's right. But in general, I like to hold my trades until the last TP possible. Today was a good day because, as you guys can already see, we are currently in a trade that is almost TP hit, TP6. But before that, we also had 2 other trades, which one of them was 189 euros in profit and one was 126 euros. And we also just lost a trade with only 37 euros. So I keep my losses small, guys. I keep my losses really small and my wins big. Like, I don't mind to win like only 20 pips or something. It's all good. But I like to hold trades until I really see some sort of support created or resistance level created. I could also close it here. Why didn't I close it, right? You always have to ask yourself, why should I close it? Why should I close the trade? Because now we have one really strong bearish candle, the second really strong bearish candle, and there's also another bearish candle which is weak. All right, so we have 2 strong bearish candles and 1 weak bearish candle. So 7 pips left for my take profit hit. Before that, let's go to the trades what I took today, which was 169.5. That was, I think it was around here, which I closed at 168.38. My stop loss was 20 pips as always. This was my trade. I took an impulse entry on this strong bearish candle. After that, I just hold it midnight actually, because I saw the trade happen, and after that we went to our take profit, which was 114 pips. The second trade I took was I think it was the same trade as this one, but I just closed it earlier, so our entry was actually 169.03. So this was our entry. Our stop loss was 600, which is 56 pips stop loss and 103 pips take profit, and I closed it at 169.72, and the other trade was actually the same, and that one was around 169.723, as you guys can see here. Let's go ahead and also analyze the last trade I took, which hit our stop loss. It was on the pre-London session, I think. So that is 169. I think it was here, yeah. 169.034. Stop loss was 20 pips, so 250. So why I took this trade was that I saw a golden zone on the 15 minute. We actually went like, I think it was only 5 pips or something. We went 5 pips in profit, but after that it just went straight up. Now let's go to our current trade where we are in right now, which went up a little bit. So we went up already 24 pips, but I will not close this trade. Our stop loss was 5.55, so let's do that right now. If he hits my stop loss, we are 48 pips in profit, and if he hits my TP, we are 102 pips in profit. I'm not gonna close this trade, so we will just wait for our take profit or our stop loss. So guys, we did hit our stop loss in profit. We were actually almost to our TP, which was only 5 pips left. So we closed our trade with 48 pips in profit, which is 105 euros, as you guys can see here. So we are done for the day. We have made 362 euros, guys, and it's all live, as you guys can see. We are still in the bearish movements here. So today it's Thursday. We will also trade tomorrow because we only need 210 euros to actually finish this challenge. Let's see what we can do on Friday. Alright guys, it's Friday night actually. Just went to my office. So let's go straight into what trades we took today. So I placed 4 trades today. So today we actually lost 74 euros. I will show you guys how I lost this actually and which trades I placed. So first one was a pretty strong sell. Alright, so I actually marked up all my trades from today. The first one was 20 pips stop loss, which was the first one. I placed this trade because of strong bearish movement. We see pretty much strong bearish candles, and we also broke the current support zone. So I waited for the 5-minute candle to actually close underneath the support, and we actually went 22 pips in profit. But after that, it just went straight to the upside where our stop loss was. So 20 pips stop loss, actually 17 pips stop loss, but it is what it is, guys. The next trade I took around 2 hours later, and it was this one. Also, guys, the same thing happened to this trade right here. We were kind of on a strong support zone, which created on the higher time frames, like the 1 hour and the 4 hour. So I went into a sell position, and we just got stopped out. We were only 9 pips in profit, and after that we went to our stop loss, which was 20 pips. Let's go ahead and the other trades where it was all these buys. So the first buy was actually an accident. My stop loss would have been 169.00, but because my TP was 160.20, but because my take profit was 0.2, so I accidentally actually got my stop loss also to 0.200, which was actually my entry. And after that, I didn't look on the charts for like 5 minutes, and it already went up for 15 pips or something, 20 pips. So I went in anyway, and that was this trade right here. So we actually hit our take profit, which was 100 pips, but I closed this trade earlier around there, where I saw that the 50-minute candles were 2 bearish candles. I actually had to let this trade run because it was a great trade. I also placed it on my trading view, I think. Which is actually sad because after that we went into a sell and that hit our stop loss, which was this one right here. It was actually 30 pips because we moved our stop loss 10 pips above our normal stop loss, which was 20 pips. So that is it for today, guys. Our balance is still 740 euros. So we only need 290 euros to finish this challenge. And I hope we can do this next week. I'm gonna backtest on Sunday, gonna prepare for the markets on Sunday, and come back stronger on Mondays. This week was actually pretty good. Let's take the week, and yeah, we had 614 pips profit. Alright guys, so we are currently 5 days later. Today it's Wednesday, so I haven't been in the office for 2 days, but we will go ahead and look forward what we did on Monday and on a Tuesday, and today of course. So for Monday we placed 2 trades, which were both stop loss, which one of them was minus 34 euros, which was this trade right here. The other one I cut it half, so I only went 7 pips in loss, which was included around 12 euros in loss. Then we go to Tuesday. Tuesday was the same, like 2 stop loss again, which one of them was 20 pips and the other one was also 20 pips. That was these two, minus 31, and the other one is minus 33. So it hasn't really been a good week so far, but today we made some great profits, as you guys can see here. We have one trade which was 50 pips TP, and that will be 82 euros in profit. And I placed the same trade, actually with 0.40 lot size, which one of them was 51 euros. We will look ahead and see what Thursday and Friday can bring us. And hopefully we can actually finish this challenge, because we only have 250 euros left to finish it. And yeah, so we also placed a trade like 3 hours ago on the New York session, which was this small trade right here, 1-to-1 risk ratio. We almost hit our stop loss, but after that it just went to the downside, which where our TP was. So that was also a 20 pip TP, which was 35 euros. So far so good actually. So let's go ahead and break down the trades, why I placed the trades. So the first day on Monday, we placed these two trades, both hit stop loss. On this one, I entered on the 1 hour. Once I saw this blue candle right here that closed actually perfectly, breaking this kind of resistance level. It's not really a resistance level, but the market is pushing up. Once we had this push around here, which is 150 pips to the upside, and once this candle pops up, we actually broke 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we actually broke a lot of candles where I thought that we can still go bullish. We actually went pretty much bullish, around almost 40 pips. But after that, it just melted down and hit our stop loss. The second trade is actually basically the same. I entered on this support level. And once I saw this bearish candle, I decided to cut my trade, which was only 7 pips. So that's good, because otherwise it would hit my stop loss. Let's go ahead on Tuesday. Tuesday I placed these two trades around here. I shouldn't actually trade on this day because I saw that market was consolidating a lot. Like you saw, my entry was here and it just melted down, which was 25 pips, and hit my stop loss. Went back up and came down a little bit. Once I saw pretty much only bearish candles on the 50-minute, I want to enter here. Once I saw this bullish candle, and I want to go down. But it reversed and it went up, and that was it for me for that day. Minus 40 pips on Tuesday, which is actually pretty big loss for me. 40 pips is kind of around 70 euros, like 80 euros, which is 8% of our challenge. So yeah. And for today, we managed to secure around 70 pips, which was this one 50 and this one 20. This trade around here was I actually targeted this on 100 pips. After I saw these two bullish candles, I decided to close it because New York took over and the long session is over. So, and once I saw that it still went bearish, I decided to take another sell, which went up almost to my stop loss. Like there was only 2 pips left for my stop loss. We went down anyways, which is a great 20 pip take profit. Yeah, so guys, that's it. Still didn't finish this challenge. I thought like I can finish it in 2 weeks. If I can't finish it this week, so we have 2 days left, Thursday and Friday. If I can't finish it then it will be over 2 weeks. So let's see if we can do that. Yes, so today it's Thursday and we just went into a trade on GJ. We have a sell position here. Our entry is 0.572. Alright, so currently at our entry, we are actually 13 pips in loss. I placed this trade based on market structure. We can see that the market is going down, is bearish at the moment. We got a push up for, I think it was at least 60 pips, 62 pips to the upside, which is pretty good for our entry because I want to enter around here. So we didn't do that. We just waited for our resistance level here, which is on the smaller time frames, also on the 1 hour. We are currently at a really strong double top resistance, which I consider as the most strongest resistance level that there is actually. You can go to the monthly, but I don't really prefer the monthly. I only watch it also to see where the market wants to go. But if you're looking at the monthly, yeah, the market wants to go up. But for this week, we are only in sells. For this week, we only want to get in sells. So yes, guys, we are currently 5 pips in loss now. Let's see what this trade can bring us. Alright, guys, we hit our take profit, which is 100 pips. This trade was actually holding pretty long because we have two false breakouts here, but we still kept holding the trade. Long wick right here was news. We had some high impact news on the British pound. It almost hit our stop loss, which was actually 5 pips from our stop loss. And we have the second false breakout which was not news, but I think we had liquidity grab there, which means that a lot of people have stop losses here. To get all that stop loss hit, then it went down to our take profit. So, and we are done with our challenge, as you guys can see. So for today, we are 224 euros in profit, which was needed because now we have done our challenge. I actually placed another sell here. It was at 466, so we went to take another sell to actually finish this challenge today. And we have done it. So it was actually a 0.40 pip trade. We actually didn't get 2000. We were around like 998 or something. So because of that, I had to take all these small trades, as you guys can see here, minus 60 cents plus 3 euros minus 0.03. And after that, we have done our challenge. And yes, guys, I want to bring this up again. It is a live account, as you guys can see. It is the same account, IC Markets Live 20. And we will go ahead and withdraw this money now. So yes, guys, we are currently at C Markets and we're gonna withdraw our funds. So we can withdraw 1000.48 cents. We will submit this right now. And there you go, guys. My withdrawal request has sent to my mail. So now I have to confirm my mail. You guys can see that our withdrawal has been made. So yes, guys, just to show you that it is a live account. So guys, that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys can learn from this video. Not a lot of people can do this. Trying to sell you a course or trying to sell you any product or something. Don't fall for it, guys. The Forex markets is hard to trade. Everyone knows that, but you will not get that by any course or something. Everything that you want to learn on Forex trading is actually basically for free on YouTube. So I also tell you guys why I placed the trade. So that's it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe on this video to not miss any upcoming videos. We can also bring this 1000 euro account to a 10,000 if you guys want. So yes, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you guys in the next video.